Ege unosa Ainapeta no isipedore te sishak arautulo etiriaka keda chuana iborolu egela imoriaritos Aingic no kamanara keda angaleu einono akor agwelanar edini adekasinenu elomnete akituk ejachieda. Professor John Opuda Sibo nyesa Kinton Victoria University lo abu Itetiak Ainapeta no.
We know there are problems. Sometimes you find that a nurse will even beat a mother, or they laugh at a mother who's too old to be a mother. But who tells you that someone is too old? Everybody is supposed to have their opportunity. Even if a woman is 80, she can have a child. Why not? There are so many problems there which we need to study and nip them in the bud. Then there are tropical infectious diseases.
Director lo aitin Aingic ka Apugan apirianu tuna Itetiak Kusoroti University Professor Francis Ejobi ka John Okiror Odongo epiriotit lo Aingic ka Apugan no Itetiak kusomero kangope kangol kese bakasiebe epota Ainapeta no aitijokar ashomani kech
and they wrote okitongano certified school lot hospital tesofal kinicheda anwai buakin ay mor akecho mission opole teoto kese pe nyobala chut edole de university ay topolor anwai Aingic ara research. So it item this item looking I the new very full on handle pro and we have to catch the right university or carry Kajinga and to Pakini and get to Makura. So in our overall Balbaka and Chamana, the Lospana itemokini, full of geometry, Aingic Akiramon. So I read at that council at Chamon with a joker or a kaina. Because I to follow my or carry canyon
Vala viteso che pote guisa canine to polo so university. Agevana pena per mi carakasa cagna per cau. Ara teso il region le tolo mi doctor di professor nurses social workers. Onye jela boja un teso ya wela malong como chan ya si opitunga. Konye bala bare remosho kapa kolom. Ya si chan to ya sare remosho. Guisa canne be hayauta jo fisto ma ore.
Ichie kotomatunga lwajasa oriana tena kesi ineritos kesi da ishala mikitos Professor Sibo kanwa Itetiak Ainapeta no.
Lain saja agenda de sana kesi dumnai na choana itubete ngito kwenye research agenda na ora kana ito mungu university na maana sisia que de lecturers lo ne misi kini yai dulu kina no itu pusat Aingic tetentu jokari asyoman.
We hope it's going to help both the staff, the students and the community at large.
Kanuka TV East Charles Abraham Akol Kosoroti University Koibuga Soroti.